ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 10-37 वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि प्लस 10-38 दंडो दमयतामस्मि। वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः। पदच्छेदे वृष्णीनां वासुदेवः अस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः। मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनामुशना कविः। मुनीनाम् अपि अहं व्यासः कवीनाम् उशना कविः। दण्डो दमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि जिगीषताम्। दण्डः दमयताम् अस्मि नीतिः अस्मि जिगीषताम्। मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहं। मौनं च एव अस्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवताम् अहम्। वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण। उद्देश्य विभागः विधेय विभागः। अंडर उद्देश्य विभागः कर्तृपदीयः, विधेय विभागः कर्मपदीयः। अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः। अहं वृष्णीनां वासुदेवः अस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः। अहं मुनीनां व्यासः अपि अस्मि कवीनाम् उशना कविः। दमयतां दण्डः अस्मि जिगीषतां नीतिः अस्मि। गुह्यानां मौनं च एव अस्मि अहं ज्ञानवतां ज्ञानम्। अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः। अहं वृष्णीनां वासुदेवः अस्मि। अहम् अस्मत् सर्वनाम प्रथमा एकवचनं। वृष्णीनां वृष्णि विशेषणम्। अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं षष्ठी बहुवचनं। वृष्णि ऋषेः निः किच्च। हेरेटिकल हेटेरोडॉक्स एंग्री पैशनेट। इन वेदास रेनिंग। मैस्कुलिन अ क्लाउड अ रैम अ रे ऑफ लाइट। नेम ऑफ एन एंसेस्टर ऑफ कृष्णा। वासुदेव वासुदेवः वसुदेवस्य अपत्यम अण्। Any descendant of Vasudeva, particularly Krishna. The sage Kapila also, Vasudeveti yam prahu Kapilam Munipungavam. Vasudeva, name of the father of Krishna and son of Sura, a descendant of Yadu. Vasu, sweet, dry. Vedic, wealthy, rich. Again Vedic meaning good. Vasun, wealth, riches. Vasuhu, the Vasus, Vasavaha are 8 in number. Apa, Dhruva, Soma, Dhara or Dhava, Anila, Anala, Pratyusha and Prabhasaha. Sometimes Aha is substituted for Apaha. Dharo, Dhruvascha, Somascha, Ahascha, Ivanilo, Nalaha, Pratyushascha, Prabhasascha, Vasavoštaviti smritaha. Vasum dharati iti vasundhara. Vasum dharati iti vasudha. Actually here it should have been better. Vasum dadhati iti vasudha. That would have been better. Because vasudha dha dhatu dha dadhati. That would have been better. Vasoho devaha vasudevaha. Asmi. अस धातोः लटि उत्तम पुरुषः एकवचनम्। अस द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी टू बी। पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः पाण्डवानां पाण्डव विशेषणम्। अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं षष्ठी बहुवचनं। पाण्डवः पाण्डोः अपत्यं पुमान् ओरैन्, a son or descendant of Pandu. Name from any one of the 5 sons of Pandu, that is Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. But here Kaunteyaha are only 3, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, and Madreyavu are 2, Nakulaha, Sahadevascha. They are all Pandava. धनंजय विशेषण। अत्र पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनं। धनं जयति इति धनंजयः। धनंजयः नेम ऑफ अर्जुन The name is thus derived in Mahabharata. Sarvan janapadan jitva vittamayad adaya kevalam madhye dhanasya tishtami tenahurma dhananjayam. Muninam apyaham vasa. Muninam, Muni Visheshanam, atra pullingam shashti bahuvachanam. Munihi, man in utcha, a sage, a holy man, saint, devotee, and ascetic. Muninam apyaham vyasaha. And dukkeshvanadvigananaha sukeshu gataspruha vitaragavekrodha stitadhir muniruchyate. 2-56. Api avyayam, also. Vyasa, Vyasa, Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Vyasa, distribution, separation into parts, dissolution or analysis of a compound. Severalty, distinction, diffusion, extension. Tasyaiva Vyasam ichchami, jnatum te bhagavan yatha. Width, breadth, the diameter of a circle. A fault in pronunciation, Vyasa. Arrangement, compilation. An arranger, a compiler. That is the interesting meaning. Dvaipayanosmi Vyasanam, Kavinam Kavya Atmavan. Name of a celebrated sage. He was the son of the sage Parashar by Satyavati, born before her marriage with Shantanu. But he retired to the wilderness as soon as he was born, and there led the life of a hermit, practicing the most rigid austerities until he was called by his mother Satyavati to beget sons on the widows of her son Vichitravirya. He was thus the father of Pandu and Dhritarashtra and also of Vidura. He was at first called Krishna Dvaipayana from his dark complexion and from his having been brought forth by Satyavati on a dvipa or island, but he afterwards came to be called Vyasa or the arranger, as he was supposed to have arranged the Vedas in their present form. Vivyasa Vedan Yasmatsa Tasmad Vyasa iti smrutaha. Jatasya Yamuna Dvipe Dvaipayana iti smrutaha. Vyasya Vedan Samastasya Vyasatam Agamad Vibhuhu. He is believed to be the author of the great epic, the Mahabharata, which he is said to have composed with Ganapati for his scribe. The 18 Puranas, as also the Brahma Sutra, and several other works are also ascribed to him. He is one of the 7 Chiranjeevis, or deathless persons. Chirajivina. Kavinam Ushana Kavi. Kavinam, Kavi, Pullingam Shashti Bahuvachanam. Kavi, Ku-i, omniscient. Kavim Puranam Manusasitaram. This is therein from Bhagavad Gita 8-9. Intelligent, clever, wise. Kavirmukapadatmanam Sadrushtya Darshayendrunam. Thinking, thoughtful, praiseworthy. Kavihi, a wise man, a thinker, a sage. Kavina Ushana Kavihi, a poet. Ushana, Ushanas, masculine. Vash, Kanasi, Sampradaya. Nominative singular, Ushana. Vocative singular, Ushanan. Ushana, Ushanaha. Vocative singular, Ushanan. Then Ushana, Ushanaha. The Ushana is Dvivachanam, Ushanaha is Bahuvachanam. Name of Shukra, regent of the planet Venus, son of Bhrigu and preceptor of the Asuras. In the Vedas, he has the epithet or patronymic name Kavya given to him, probably because he was noted for his wisdom. Mitra Varuna Varana Ushanam Kavyam Avatha. Kavina Ushana Kavi. He is also known as a writer on civil and religious law. This is from Yajus Samhita. And as an authority or on civil polity, Shastra Mushansa Pranitam. अध्यापितस्य उषणसापि नीतिम् उषणा indeclinable Vedic in Vedic language literature joyfully, willingly. Kavihi we have discussed earlier, in general poet. Damayatam dandaha asmi. Damayatam damayat विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम् दम धातोः णिचः शत्रु विशेषणं दमयत् दम चतुर्थगणीयः परस्मैपदी दाम्यति दमित दान्त to be tamed, to be calm or tranquil, to tame, subdue, conquer, restrain. Yamo damyati rakshasan damitvaप्यरिसंघाता to pacify, causative damayati. This is the one. To tame, to subdue, to conquer, to overpower. Astvayam sarvadamanah sarvam hi damayatyasau. To afflict, crush down. Atibharena damayati. Dandaha. Danda. Pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Dandaha or dandam. Dandam will be napusakalingam. Danda, a stick, a staff, rod, mace, club, kajal. Patatu shirasya kanda yamadanda, ivaisha bhuja, kashthadandaha. The scepter of a king, the rod as a symbol of authority and punishment, attadandaha. The staff given to a twice-born man at the time of investiture with the sacred thread. The staff of a sannyasin or ascetic, the trunk of an elephant also called as danda, the stem or stalk of a lotus, many other meanings. The oar of a boat, danda, an arm or leg at the end of compound, the staff or pole of a banner, a tent, etc., the beam of a plough, the crossbar of a lute or a stringed instrument. Interesting meanings. Dandaha, chastisement, corporal punishment, punishment in general. Yathaparadha dandana. Evam raja pathyakarishु तीक्ष्ण दंडो राजा. Dandam dandyeshu pataye. So, many other specific meanings of the word dandaha. Imprisonment, attack, assault, violence. Punishment, the last of the four expedients. Upaya, samadhinam upayanam chaturnam api danditaha samadando prashamsanti nityam rashtrabhivrudhaye. Jigishatam nitihi asmi. Jigishatam, jigishat, विशेषण अत्र पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम जी धातोः सनादेः शत्रु विशेषणम जिगीषत जिगीषा जी सन भावे desire of conquering, subduing or overcoming. Yanam sasmar kauveram vaivasvata jigishaya. Rivalry, eminence, exertion, profession, habit of life. Nitihi, niti strilingam, prathama ekvachanam. Nitihi, feminine, guidance, direction, management, conduct, manner of conducting oneself, behavior, course of action, propriety, decorum, policy, prudence, wisdom, right course, plan, politics, political science, statesmanship, political wisdom, dando dametam asmi, nitirasmi jikishitam, righteousness, moral conduct, morality, the science of morality, morals, ethics, moral philosophy, nindantu niti puna itiva stuvantu. गुह्यानाम मौनम चैव अस्मि. गुह्यानाम, गुह्य विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम वा षष्ठी बहुवचनम. गुह धातोः ण्यत् विशेषणम गुह्य. गुह्य पोटेंशियल पार्टिसिपल. टू बी कंसील्ड, कवर्ड और केप्ट सीक्रेट, प्राइवेट. गुह्यम च गुहति. सीक्रेट, सॉलिटरी, रिटायर्ड, मिस्टीरियस. Purusharthajnanamidam guhyam. Guhyaha, hypocrisy, an epithet of Vishnu, tortoise. Guhyam, tortoise because he withdraws his mouth also within his body, and where his mouth is becomes difficult to make out, mysterious. So Guhya, difficult to make out. Secret, mystery. Maunam, Mauna, Napusakalingam. Prathama Ekvajanam. Maunam, Munehe Bhavaha and silence, taciturnity. Vibhushanam Maunam Apanditanam. Maunam Sarvartha Sadhanam. Maunam Samacharo, hold your tongue. The unblooming state, Aprafulli Bhava. Gunjati Manju Milinde Mamalati Maunam Upayasihi. Cha, Avayam, and Eva, Avayam, only. Aham Jnanavatam Jnanam. Jnanavatam, Jnanavat, Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam, Shashti Bahuchanam. Jnana plus Vat. Jnanam, Jnana. Napusakalingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Jnanam, Jna Bhave, Lyut. Knowing, understanding, becoming acquainted with, proficiency. Sankhya's Yogasya cha Jnanam. Knowledge, learning. Consciousness, cognizance, knowledge. And I have highlighted here intellect. Kachit jnanani sarvani prasannani tavachyuta. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Aham Vrushninaam Vasudeva asmi. Among descendants of Vrushni, I am the son of Vasudeva. Pandavanam Dhananjaya. Among sons of Pandu, I am Arjuna, who is known as Dhananjaya. Muninam api ham Vasaha. Among Munis, I am Vyasa. Kavinam Ushana Kavi. Among thinkers and poets, I am Ushana. Damayatam Dandaha asmi. Among means of regulation, I am the staff. Jigishatam Jit Nitihi asmi. Among those desirous of victory, I am the righteous strategist. Guhyanam Maunam Chaiva asmi. Among secrets and secretives, I am the taciturnship. Aham Jnanavatam Jnanam. Of the knowledgeables, I am their knowledge. Chando Vishleshanam. Vrushninaam Vasudevosmi. Ashtakshani. Sudevo. Itesham Matraha Eka Dve Dve. Pandavanam Dhananjaya. Ashtakshani. Dhananja. Itesham Matraha Eka Dve Eka. Muninam Apyaham Vyasa. Ashtakshani. Pyaham Vya. Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Dve. Kavinam Ushana Kavihi. Ashtakshani. Shana Ka. Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Eka. Asmin Dashme Adhyaye Saptatrimshattame Shloke Anushtup Chandaha. Dando Damayatam Asmi. Ashtakshani. Yatam Smi. Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Dve. Niti Rasmi Jigishatam. Jigisha. Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Eka. Maunam Chaiva Smi Guhyanam. Ashtakshani. Smi Guhya. Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Dve. Jnanam Jnanavatamaham. Ashtakshani. Vatam. Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Eka. Asmin Dashame Adhyaye Ashtatrimshattame Shloke Anushtup Chandaha. Swadhyaya, notes of self. There are 8 pairs of words in Shashti Bahuvachanam and Prathamaik Vachanam. The running total now becomes 69. In the mention Vrushninaam Vasudeva, the word Vrushninaam acknowledges the greatness of an ancestor of Yadu Vamsha. Yadu being yet another. Actually, one meaning of Vrushnihi is a peacock. That possibly explains why Vasudeva is shown to be fond of wearing a peacock's feather in his crown. Another derivation of Vrushnihi is from Vrush, to rain. Certainly, Vasudeva rains his love and compassion unto his devotees. Vasudeva. The mentioned Pandavanam Dhananjaya is so much in the flow of the narration that one may miss the significance of this mention. I am you only, we are not two. Pandavanam Dhananjaya. Beautiful. Muninam Vyasaha brings to mind earlier mentioned Siddhanam Kapilo Muni. As is well known, Narada is also called as Narada Muni. So we have names of three Munis here, Vyasaha, Kapilaha, Narada. But the mention here, Muninam Vyasaha, may be because of the monumental work done by Vyasa, the arranger, as he was supposed to arrange the Vedas in their present form. Vivyasa Vedan Yasmat Tasmad Vyasa iti smrtaha. Kyatasya Yamuna Dvipa Idvaipayana iti smrtaha. Vyasya Vedan Samastasya Vyasatam Agamad Vibhuhu. The mention Kavinam Ushana Kavi arouses a curiosity about Ushana Kavi, especially because one does not come across much mention of his contributions as a poet. In the dictionary, the explanation is preceptor of the Asuras, Shukracharyaha Daitya Guruhu. In the Vedas, he has the epithet Kavya given to him, probably because he was noted for his wisdom. Mitra Varuna Ushanam Kavyam Avathaha. Kavinam Ushana Kavi. This I have actually copied down from where I had listed the word Kavi here earlier. So because it is relevant, it is worthwhile repeating it. He is also known as a writer on civil and religious law, Ushana Kavi, and as an authority on civil polity, Shastram Ushanasa Pranitam. He had the mystical powers to rejuvenate the dead. This is another angle. He could see life even in the dead, hence a Kavi. Wow. In Damayatam Dandaha, the word Damayatam is from Dam Dhatoho Nichaha, causative of Dam, Damayati Te, to tame, subdue. Comes to mind that there are four options to subjugate the persons. Another person. Samaha, Damaha, Dandaha, Bheda. Note, Dandaha is from Danda Dande, Dandanipate. Punish, to fine. Ubhayapadi, Vikarmaka has said, both Damaha and Dandaha are options for Dam, Damayati, to tame, to subdue. Does Damayatam Dandaha suggest that Dandaha is a better option than Damaha? Etymology of Damaha is Dama, N, Klibe Strilingam, Diyate iti, Da Adane Jayantihi. In the phrases Damayatam Dandaha, Jigishatam Niti, Guhyanam Maunam, and Jnanavatam Jnanam, the word Dandaha, Nitihi, Maunam, and Jnanam are qualities. Muninam Apyam Vyasa is not quality. It refers to Vyasa, the Muni, particular Muni. But here, Damayatam Dandaha, Jigishatam Nishi, the words Dandaha, Nitihi, Maunam, and Jnanam are qualities. So, the tone and import of these phrases is different from the mentions Vrishninam Vasudevaha, Pandavanam Dhananjayaha, Muninam Vyasaha, and Kavinam Ushanaka. As is obvious, Vasudevaha, Dhananjayaha, Vyasaha, and Ushanakavi are specific personalities, but maybe these mentions also hint to the qualities of excellence, which anyone should aspire to imbibe. Vrishninam Vasudeva seems to suggest the urge and capability to pacify the thirst of the thirsty. Note, Vedic meaning of Vrishnihi is raining. Etymologically also, Vrishnihi is from Vrush, which means to rain. The word Dhananjaya has a component word Dhanam, which has also the meaning positivity, which includes the quality of being focused at the target, because losing focus or distraction means negativity. The word Vyasa means arranger, which demands incisive, analytical mind. The word Kavihi suggests the quality to see beyond, even to see the unseen. Jigishatam Niti brings to mind the famous poem, Thinking, by Walter de Winkel. I have really thought it good to copy down the entire point. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win, but if you think you can't, it is almost certain you won't. If you think you will lose, you are lost. For out of the world, we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man, but soon or late, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Jigi Shatam Niti also endorses that for Jigi Shatam, for those who want to win, the Niti, the mental makeup, the resolve has to be there. The resolve has to be right. All the statements, 69 actually so far, seem to merit a review to understand what qualities and faculties one should aspire to cultivate, to imbibe, and thereby become true bhaktaha. Shubhamastu.